Siyajayiva mas.
Okay, 50 ngapha, 30 ngapha, mahala lapho.
50 ngapha, 30 ngapha, mahala lapho. 50 ngapha, 30 ngapha, mahala lapho.
Aw, nika labafana keke labo. Balambile.
Sajayiva ngapha, sajinda ngapha, 30 ngapha, 50 ngapha. Nika labafana keke lapho.
Ijama ngiyakhumbula abashaya bogogo bethu lapho. Benibashayelana.
Why did you hit our parents during apartheid?
I did not.
You were not there?
No.
Iya, indlela izakwenza uphike. Ijuti zuri ke.
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody's doing great. Wherever you're watching this video from, it is salute lapo. Welcome back to your favorite channel. Happy New Year bafethu. This is the first video of 2026 and we're starting off on a high note. So let's go.
Mana phela ubuye. Yezwa.
Kanti bese ufani
Ngahlangana nabafazi lapha endleleni. Mama ubabona uvala amehlo.
Yes, baba.
What up, it's your boy, it's what did you got?
What? Yo. Cool. It's GG's, bro. Hey, online shopping.
Wesithanda sami zakudala. Ngokuhlukana nje namaminishana sengcinzwa umiyane. Ngiyakinyeka ebusuku, angisakwazi nokuphefumula. I can't breathe. Kwenzenjalo mama. Ngokuhlukana nje nawe.
Ayi yabona-ke angithi yonke nje lento ekudampele yona yonke into yenza ukudlala nje wena yonke into ukudlala nje awukwazi nje waba serious. Hayi angifisi ukwazi ukuthi mina uyokhula nini ngempela yo hayi
Masungilahla dala ungilahlela mangu masungishiya dala ungishiyela mangu mina ngisafuna ukuhamba nawe ku-Maracapad mina ngisafuna ukuhamba nawe ku-Maracapad kadibana ma
Ngane zami. Awu mama kahle wemama, awusangiboni nimi lona mama.
Asituji yes. Bethu ngabahlali.
Basalisana, basalijuwa, balitimalisa, bilihla nakhanda, libeka phansi, basalisana. Itibelele manje. Hey.
Fresh matal.
If you want to be happy for one day, take BRC and enjoy. If you want to be happy for just one day, take BRC and enjoy. We are marching back, marching back, marching back, marching back on the light of one. We are marching back, marching back, marching back, marching back on the light of one.
1 2
I blame
1
the
2
producer. Nah, yeah.
ngapha bethi ngapha nahala ngapha yo ngithi nika laba bafaliki ho balambile ho
Gazinyo mbona nini umntwanami?
usho muphi umntwana lo ongamsupport uyathanda ukuwa wena le energy yakho ucula ngayo la ngabe uyayithatha uhambe uyosebenza uzokhona ukusupporta lo mntwana lo baba childish lo.
I don't know why, but I was expecting ulele.
Before siqhubeke neprogram kunemoto evimbe enye imoto i-Toyota Tez futhi nje isuka la eHammersdale ivimbe iMercedes 63 AMG 2023 model. Wake wavimba iphupho lakho.
There is no girlfriend allowance. There is no girlfriend allowance. Ayikho into enjalo.
I can't believe the other chick with my mic wrong.
Nempukane yakwazi ukuzalela etoilet kodwa ifele kwijuice so nje nawe ungalilahli ithawula ngoba uzogeza ngani. Thank you boy.
Welcome, it's time for the December League. We have the alcohol lineup here. We have the Gordons as the goalkeeper, the centre back partnership of the Smirnoff and the Sky Vodka, with the Jameson brothers as our fullbacks, our deep six played by the Amarula, and that box-to-box midfielder, the Belgravia attacking midfielder, we have the Tangray, and for our wingers, we have the Hennessy, we have the Hona Konek, up front we have the Remy Martin, VSOP. For now, it is the Cabbage FC versus alcohol. This is our alcohol lines up.
Arabile. All right. Gewija Shifada Kurusha Melebetrika. Givija Mulimu Yomogolo Kanda Belia Traka, Spider Roller Spina Melebet Laga. Winner the true peperekshit. Aye. Givija mele side the roller the GB control ya spina mele laga. Wonderful judge Daria Damanda.
shout out shout out to Rusty Games.
Ah!
Utati cross, awisa ku cross. Baba. Cameraman, why ungalepisi?
Dad.
Hey, yabona nele content.
mfana wami yo uphethe iChina 吸毒了启动警报广播旗舰学说 futhi into engifuna uyenza manje yazi ngifuna mama ungamsemthethisa ngesizulu iChina phela leli mewuthi ingane yakho le iChina umama uyiChina ungabusathetha ngesizulu phuma esizulwini ukuze nabantu menixabana phambi kwabantu abantu bangezwe wena nje ngifuna uthi ishintsho jingo yo naye mase yaphendula shashiwa chichowa chanji shonyaya jonjicho jingo yo shashime shishiwa
Malume usifundiswe kubani isiChina? Yo.
Ayinamabizwa nje futhi thekene nenyawo zimbi. Yabo content othi yihle kodwa inyawo ngathi ama knickknacks mfethu indlwane ngathi ama knickknacks wabona ama knickknacks awuqondi noma iqondini noma ichekile. Hayi angizwe nje kahle mfethu hayi. Nengizandla hayi mfethu hayi. Sukubona ukuthi hayi should masekukhumuliwe la kubi.
Bayanaki manje Polo neTaxi akekho ufuna ukuhlehla lapha kubi buka lo wePolo uyayiphuzela manje hayi kubambela ingqondo zomgwaqa kwesibona ukuthi kwenza ngalani hayi ziyakhala buka imoto edlule emaceleni akekho ufuna ukudedela omunye lapha kubi funa ukubona ukuthi bani ozogoba uphondo lapha buka imoto zidlule emasayidini bamile bona bayithuka so manje sifuna ukubona ukuthi ubani uninka okay nayi taxi ngathi yagoba ngathi igoba uphondo hayi goba uphondo itaxi nansi yahamba
Taxi nobebethwa passengers yamchuchisa
hayi ziyakhala hayi
Viva Polo.
The fact that you took a shower after having unprotected sex with an HIV-positive woman, believing that it would minimize your risk, has really angered AIDS activists. What is your response to their criticism?
But if we have been in the kitchen, my dear, peeling onion, you wash your hands, not so. What's funny about washing your hands after doing something? After washing yourself, what's the problem?
But Mr. Zuma, AIDS is a big problem in this country. And saying things like
and
taking a shower...
hygiene is a big problem in this country. Clean yourself.
Hey, we're free Musi. One more time, free Musi. One more palava. I put it on my top. I put it on.
This one.
Why you park the car there? You can't park the car there.
How are you?
I'm good, Ene.
Good, thank you. I have a rose for you. I think you're very handsome.
I'm not.
Oh, zimincile mpundu zomntana, zimincile.
Latino ncha, kapusha kigigi me bra, yumfana Latino ncha, kapusha kigigi me bra, yumfana Latino ncha.
Maroto, kita, mapunyo. Hey, come on, kimi nuncho. Ari ta show kita ukhata music video hao. Kita ukhata. Then una mala ship kita no tla wenza pila una mala ship kita. Ay, u bontsha batho yi. Wa bona ke bang. Ah, mane na tong kentsha mathateng manai. Ay ari aro shutelang kwa. Hao. Alire chila kwa aro shutelang. Ba ka bala ba mbali. Kantelena lemetseng mo. Lemetseng.
I just recently graduated as a business management graduate.
What?
So you're working.
Wait.
So you're working now.
Show me what?
No.
Wait a minute.
No, I'm studying.
Ngiyangazi mina, uyangazi njengokubiza igama lami.
Ngizothina ungakwazi ndikhokhela. Khona umuntu ongayazi i-gospel song yakho.
Ngikukhokhela.
Ufuna ukucula ingoma iqala ngokwena. Khona umuntu ongakwaziyo wena. Zingane zima-TV zingakwazi. Uzothina yaxesha.
Khona nami ayikho nenza kodwa ufuna kwakho abajota ya.
We are here in South Africa. Let's go and turn up 2026 today. January 1st. First stream in South Africa, Cape Town. Let's get right. Yeah. They ready, chat.
Bro, this is crazy. Like, this guy's driving straight and skew at the same time.
GP.
I don't know whether to be shocked or impressed. I don't know. But to be quite frank, I'm a little bit pissed off because he's not using the taxi lane. He's driving in the car lane, which, as we know, is for Bode. How crazy is that, dude? Like, there's a chassis and the body. They don't talk to each other anymore. Like, what's happening?
Uches. Yeah. Ufana nemoto. Yeah. Ngoba siyamdu Lisa. Yo.
Hayi bo mabhebeza nto namadoda amangaki. Sengibhangile njalo ngitshela bukhoma.
Ey, yabona ke ngithe men, hayi mens. Yabona nje i-disadvantage yokujwayela nabafana basemakhaya ayisuka.
Hayi kulungile mama noma yini mfowethu. Shuthi ngiyakuthanda nami.
Shuthi ngiyakuthanda.
Ke kiba ko Midlands ke ba bo. Alright, sha. Tupac selixaba no. Tupac xaba.
Loving memory.
Mikhola ke ba bona Midlands. Do fai. Ke do fai. Ke tsa ting.
Thank you Machobela.
Seyistreetwe ngolhlobo.
Timaphalala. Dali for 4 years mfethu. Thank you ebutsotsini.
Bakufonele ba Mr. So and so, we found your car.
Dilitani bro, uma kwenye konzo, dilite bonto bazane pe phone ya. Kaswani ngeni kuna makugu, kanifika conference, ngena makugu na mantomba bazane. Phone la na mantomba bazane ni nani kwa WhatsApp. Come on guys. Y'all get in my way.
Unamachaba wenza amasimba lokipa ngokukhutshwa. Kulacawa bayaqhwatywa abantu yo. Anilale niya WhatsApp. Nolu wakacawa mna you. Edala nabuyisayo. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. Until the next one. Sure.